Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever completed a programming tutorial from places like FreeCodeCamp, Udemy or Coursera and even coded along, but then when you try to apply those new skills or build a new project, you forget everything and fail? This can feel like you have never completed that React or Python bootcamp. Don't worry, you're not alone. I've faced this issue too many times when I was starting out. Before you start blaming your course instructors or giving them negative reviews, the reason why you're not learning as effectively might actually be how you learn. A good part is that you can fix this. In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple pointers on how you can learn effectively from programming courses. And let's get into it. The first pointer is to stop passively watching tutorials. You're not going to download the programming skills shown on screen by simply watching. And many people fall into the trap of thinking that they understand the solution to a problem because the code is so readable. However, when asked to code the solution, they simply cannot. This leads me to my next pointer, which is to code the theory and watch the solution. Many programming courses follow the structure of explaining the theory first, then showing how to come up with the solution. A common mistake is that new programmers fall into the trap of coding when the solution is already being shown. Try doing the opposite, where you code out the theory and watch how the instructor comes up with the solution. That way, you are forced to fail and make mistakes to learn. Coding along with the instructor is not an accurate depiction of building a project or problem solving. There are no problems to solve, as you can simply turn your brain off and copy. Mindlessly copying code does not help you get a good grasp of the theoretical concepts. So, to build a good foundation of the theory, you need to explain the theory without looking at the notes. Pretend that you have to teach your new skill or programming language to a class. Think of how you would explain the concepts to them and say your explanation out loud. You will realize the gaps in your understanding when you cannot explain. From there, you can revisit the lecture on concepts you don't understand and try again. The goal here is to test your understanding and be true to yourself about the gaps in your knowledge. Theory can only get you so far. So how do we get better at applying the theory? The answer to that is to build a second project. After finishing the tutorial with all the pointers mentioned before, it is time to really solidify your understanding of this new skill. The way we do this is by applying your new skill on a different project. The project doesn't have to be something groundbreaking. For example, if you are learning React and have built an e-commerce app from the tutorial, try building an online store for a cafe. If you are doing machine learning, try applying your skills on a dataset that you have never seen before. The key is to find a similar project that you can apply your skills on and fail as many times as you need. Through our failures, we learn in very important lessons. For watching to the end of the video, I'm going to share this quote that will help you push through tough times where you feel like giving up. This quote is that frustration is not a sign of your inability to understand, but a sign that you're deepening your understanding. When you're learning a new skill, frustration is a natural emotion to encounter. So do not give up and push through the frustration. At the end of all your struggles, you will acquire a new skill that is valuable to others.